Alright, so this is a video tutorial on how to fix your quad without using glue. If you were to use glue, these are the two I use, Go To Gel and JB Weld. JB Weld is great because it's a strong epoxy with metal particles in it. I have never broken anything using JB Weld. Usually the part breaks before the glue does. I'd check out Project Farm's videos on those. Alright, so you just crashed your quad. Why are you ruining this brand new quad cup? Okay, anyway, so your quad's broken and you need to fix it. Floppy. Plastic welding. Yep, so we're using a soldering iron, and this is polypropylene plastic. As long as you melt the same plastic in and of itself, it's practically as strong as the original part, assuming that you use adequate amount of material. So I don't want to use my new tip, just use an old crusty tip. You don't want to use a good tip. That's a tip from me to you. Your quad's likely to have some extra material on it. If it doesn't, well then you're kind of out of luck. I guess you could find a donor quad though. Here I am just cleaning my crusty tip. I don't want to contaminate my polypropylene with lead. Okay, so what I'd suggest that you do is set your soldering iron to the correct temperature. That means maybe looking up the material that your quad is made out of, and then finding the melting temperature of that. That's just above the T glass transition temperature. Anyone who's familiar with 3D printing should know about that. So as you can see with this technique, I'm just depositing the excess material into the crack. You might need to change positions to deposit your material into the crack. Focus, you f***! You want to smooth over the surface with your soldering iron like this. Wish this was in focus though. Doesn't have to be perfect. Perfection isn't in the spirit of the hobby of tinywhoop. Just get the work done and then fly. And now I flipped it over and I'm doing the other side. And now I'm smoothing over the inside where the props are. I'd argue that this is the most important part because you don't want your props catching on your repair. So this is the repair completed. As you can see, it's very strong. I'm going to give it a bit of a extra whoop, 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 whoop. You might be like, hey, it's ugly. So you can give it a bit of sand and just smooth it over. I'm using, I think, 800 or 400 grit. I think 400 will do. After you sand, you'll get a white crazing. So to get rid of that, you can just hit it with a flame. And there you go. Nice and shiny and black. Lastly, I like to clean the soldering tip after I'm done with it. So get some alcohol or water on a tissue and just clean off the tip. You can then re-tin the tip to make it usable again. And there you have it. Fixed quad frame. Good luck and happy flying.